Hello, this is Greg. I have some phone chargers, these Eero. They have a C type USB, and they're 110, 60 hertz. Let's get this plugged in here. This is how they work. We're at 24 seconds right now. Takes about a minute and a half for them to cycle up to a full charge. Well, that's working. I have tried to use one with these 40, 56, 5640. Anyway, the little charging units, it won't turn those on. So, if you were thinking about using them as a charging unit for, for that type of thing, they don't work. So let me see, where are we at now? A minute and 9. And hopefully this is enough information for you to make a decision one way or another. These are going to come in a 3-pack and for $10. And that includes shipping. Getting close. Got about another, 20 seconds? Boom. Then it jumps up to 1.28 amp. And then when I turn on my phone screen, it is charging slowly, 77%. So that's how they work. Now, if I unplug this from the phone and try to plug it into this little charging module, it doesn't work. It doesn't turn it on. And it's not the module because I have another C cable sitting right here and it works just fine. So I just want you to know that. These are phone chargers. They work perfect on the phone. Every one of them functions the same as a phone charger, but they don't work for these little modules. So I found that out and I figure I better tell everybody. So that's going to be that on this video. Where am I at? Ooh, 301. Thanks for watching. Thank you more for buying. Have a great day.